Hi friends, so today we will study how to calculate the p-value. The p-value is of great help to people who are doing kind of research either at the postgraduate level or at the PhD level. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the topic. In order to remove the p-value, you need to have a feature in the data menu which is called as the data analysis. Now by default, this feature is not installed in Excel. In order to have that feature in Excel, you have to first click on File, then click on More, then select Options, and in Options click on Add-ins. And in Add-ins, you will select the Analysis Tool Pack and then click on Go. In my case, it's already installed, hence I am not clicking on Go. But in your case, you would definitely have to click on Analysis Tool Pack, ensure Excel Add-in is selected, and click on Go, and then click on OK. After that, you can come into the data menu and just check whether you have this option within your data menu. This would indicate that the Analysis Tool Pack has got installed. Now, once it is installed, let us see how to remove the p-value. For removing the p-value, you need to have two parameters listed in your Excel sheet. In this example, I am taking an example of maintaining the results of a diabetic patient. So this is the fasting blood glucose level readings before, and this is the fasting blood glucose level readings after. And now I want to see how it has performed. So in order to do that, you can click anywhere in your sheet. Then click on Data, and in Data select Data Analysis. In Data Analysis, you have to select the option T-test paired to sample for means. Then click on OK. Now by default, this will all be blank like this. So what you have to do, you have to first specify the variable 1 range, and that is this. Remember to select the headings as well. And then select variable range 2. Remember to select the headings as well. Then select the output range and highlight the area where you want the result should come. And then click on OK. So you will see that your p-value has come over here. But if you notice, it has come in the scientific notation. So in order to make it into normal, you have to right click on it, select Format Cells and make it to number, and then click on OK. If you see 0.00, click on Home and click on Increase Decimal till you are able to see a number. So in this case, my value is something like 0 and 4 zeros and then 4, which is certainly less than 0.05, and that is indicating that the data is correct. So the test for this is this p-value should be less than 0.05. So friends, hope you have learned something new about how to calculate the p-value. With this, we end this lecture, and we'll see you again in the next lecture. Till that time, goodbye.